So here is your setup. Now I'll pour some water. I have added salt to speed up the electrolysis process. So some salt water. Okay. Now I'll connect it to the batteries. You can see the process has started. You can see water bubbles. So that's cathode and this one is anode. At cathode you can see hydrogen is coming out, and you can see bubbles on anode, that's oxygen. Just shoot from the top. So this one is hydrogen and this one is oxygen. Now to test it, you can just put a test tube over it filled with water. Just note down the water level. You will see water level will drop when hydrogen is collected. Now it's a slow process, but we'll give it some time and we'll see the water level will drop. I'll just put a mark there. So I just made a mark over the test tube. We'll see after some time the water level will drop and hydrogen will be collected. Now you can see it's been a few minutes now and the water level has dropped. This is because hydrogen is collected here. It's being collected, so more and more hydrogen will be collected in this test tube as the process goes on.